Hello friends, I am Dr. Shruti, consultant and fertility expert, 49 Hospitals, LB Nagar. So this video is about endometriosis. So endometriosis is a most common problem which the women are facing nowadays. So the recent WHO survey has proven that almost 10% of the women in reproductive age are suffering with endometriosis. So which age group is common for the endometriosis problem? Generally, women in the reproductive age. So reproductive age means between 25 to 40 years. So whatever the age is ideal for pregnancy, this is called a reproductive age. So these women are most likely prone for endometriosis. So how do you find out that you have an endometriosis? Generally, what are the symptoms? So endometriosis generally consists of three main symptoms. The first one is severe dysmenorrhea, that is having a painful period. Second is dyspareunia, that is having severe pain while sex or intercourse. And the third one is infertility. That means you are not able to conceive naturally. So these three symptoms, it's called the triad of endometriosis. So any woman who is facing these kind of a problem, these three symptoms, can consider a suspicion of endometriosis. So now how do you diagnose that you have this problem? What happens with endometriosis? Ultrasound can reveal that you have endometriosis, or MRI, or the gold standard diagnostic technique is laparoscopy or hysteroscopy. In laparoscopy, we can directly see whether there are any endometriotic spots deposited over your uterus or ovary or tubes. Basically, let me tell you what is an endometriosis. So endometriosis means the presence of the uterine lining. The uterus has three layers, of which the innermost lining is called the endometrium. This endometrium, instead of sitting inside the uterus, if it gets deposited over the uterus or on the tubes or on the ovaries, that means basically it is anywhere outside the uterus. This is called endometriosis. Endometrium lying anywhere outside the uterus. So like the endometrial tissue which naturally bleeds from the uterus, these endometriotic deposits which are outside the uterus also start to bleed. This is the reason for having severe pain during menses and having severe pain during intercourse. So anyone who's facing these problems can consider that you may have endometriosis. So please consult your gynecologist. She may advise you an ultrasound or a hysteroscopy or a laparoscopy to find out that you have an endometriosis. And one more important thing is this endometrial tissue can block your tubes as well, because of lot of bleeding happening outside the tubes or near the ovaries or near the uterus. These bleeding may block your tubes. So this tubal blockage may lead to infertility again. So endometriosis not only by itself will cause infertility, also by blocking your tubes, also by decreasing the egg quality and decreasing the egg numbers. So endometriosis patients will have very low ovarian reserve and very poor egg quality, and also may have blocked tubes. So as soon as possible, these women may require to achieve pregnancy. This is because the egg reserve keeps on dropping and there's no way that we can prevent it from falling down. So whoever has a low reserve with endometriosis, the ideal treatment for these women will be IVF ICSI. They can conceive naturally endometriosis sometimes, or they can consider IUI also, but the success rates with natural pregnancy and an IUI treatment are considerably low. Better if we plan an IVF ICSI treatment for endometriosis patients. There is high chance that they may achieve pregnancy in the first attempt itself, because the limiting factor here is your number of eggs keep on decreasing. So before they fall or before they become zero, we have to achieve pregnancy at any cost. Here comes the role of IVF in endometriosis. So we have the history of treating so many endometriotic patients with IVF and help them achieving successful pregnancies. So any woman out there who's suffering with endometriosis problem, we are here to help you and we can answer your doubts. So do not hesitate to come and find out with the infertility specialist about endometriosis. And if you have any of the above symptoms which I have told in this video, kindly come and get yourself checked as soon as possible. Thank you so much.